The 52-inch Colbridge is a rustic-style ceiling fan with an iron cage light kit. The fan is damp rated for indoor or covered outdoor use and is pull chain operated. The 52-inch blade span is perfectly suited for large rooms that are between 12 feet by 12 feet and 18 feet by 18 feet. The fan can be installed on regular ceilings or ceilings with a maximum slope of 18 degrees. Use the menu to skip ahead or continue watching for the complete installation guide. To install the fan, you will need a UL listed outlet box that is 4 fans supportive up to 35 pounds. You will also need a step ladder, screwdriver, wire stripper, and electrical tape. Begin by turning power off at the breaker. On the canopy, twist and remove the canopy ring. Unscrew the non-slotted mounting bracket screws. Loosen the remaining 2 slotted screws. Twist and remove the hanger bracket. On the ball down rod assembly, loosen the set screw and lower the ball off the down rod. Remove the cross pin and the ground lead. On the motor, remove the clevis pin and cotter pin. Loosen the 2 collar set screws. Slide the wires through the down rod and insert it into the collar. Align the holes, then insert the clevis pin and cotter pin. Tighten the 2 collar set screws. Place the coupling cover, canopy ring, and canopy over the down rod. Carefully reinstall the hanger ball, being sure to secure the ground lead, insert the cross pin, and tighten the set screw against the side of the down rod. On the ceiling box, loosen the 2 screws. Bring the hanger bracket up to the box and slide it over the screws. Tighten both screws securely. Bring the fan motor up to the box and place the hanger ball into the hanger bracket. Turn the motor until the groove in the ball aligns with the tab on the bracket. Now you can make the electrical connections. Use a wire nut to combine the ground wires from the ceiling box, down rod, and hanger bracket together. Combine the neutral wire from the box with the white wire from the fan. Combine the hot wire from the box with the black and blue wires from the fan. If your box has 2 hot wires to control the fan and light separately, combine one hot wire with the black wire from the fan and the other hot wire with the blue wire from the fan. Wrap electrical tape around the connections to hold the wires in place, then tuck neatly into the box. Align and twist the canopy over the loose screws, then insert the removed screw and tighten all screws securely. Align and twist the canopy ring over the screws. The fan is properly mounted and the fan blades can now be installed. Bring a fan blade up to the fan and insert it into one of the slots on the motor with the desired side facing down. Align the blade support plate over the holes, then insert and tighten 3 blade attachment screws. Repeat the process for the remaining blades. The light kit assembly can now be installed. On the motor's mounting ring, remove one of the screws and loosen the remaining screws. Bring the switch housing up to the fan. Align and twist over the loose screws, then insert the removed screw and tighten all screws securely. Snap the wire connection plugs together. Remove one of the screws on the switch housing and loosen the remaining screws. Bring the LED light kit up to the fan and snap the wire connection plugs together. Align and twist over the loose screws, then insert the removed screw and tighten all screws securely. Install the 2 included LED bulbs. Remove the decorative nut and plastic nut from the light kit shaft. Bring the glass shade up to the fan and align it over the shaft. Reinstall the plastic nut and decorative nut to hold the glass in place. Clip on the pull chains and fobs. Power can safely be restored at the breaker. The installation is complete and the fan is now ready to operate. The speed pull chain cycles through the different fan speeds. The fan can be set to high speed, medium speed, low speed, and off. The light pull chain toggles the light on or off. With the fan turned off, you can use the reverse switch to change the direction of the blade rotation. For warm weather, the fan will spin counterclockwise to push air downward and produce a cooling effect. For cool weather, the fan will spin clockwise to cycle warm air off the ceiling. Congratulations! You are now ready to use your brand new ceiling fan. For technical support and assistance, please call the customer service number in your owner's manual.